Good evening everyone, I am Musta Sultana Momo here again with a very important class on CV writing. Now, what is CV or curriculum vitae? A CV is detailed document highlighting your professional and academic history. The word CV is a short form for the Latin phrase curriculum vitae, which means course of life. That means the courses you have done until now. CVs typically include information like work experience, achievements and awards, scholarships or grants you have earned, coursework, research projects and publications of your work. It is needed when you want to join a job or attend an interview. যখন আমাদের জব দরকার হয় কিংবা আমরা ইন্টারভিউর জন্য যাই তখন employees calls for a CV. So this is the format of a CV. You can see at first you have to write your name and contact, and then the other information, write a summary about yourself, then professional history, that means your experiences. After that you have to add your educational history, that means what you have achieved till now, and then your skills, that in which things you are qualified or able to do the most, then the awards if you have received any, and then the publications if you have any. So how to write a CV? Contact information, at first you have to give your contact information, then the academic history, then the professional experience, qualifications and skills, awards and honors, publications, professional associations, grants and fellowships, license and certificates, voluntary work. Personal information is optional. If they need or if they ask for it, at that point you will submit it, otherwise you don't need to. And then hobbies and interest. So steps of CV writing: include your contact information at first. This includes your full name, phone number and email address. Including your physical address is optional. That means আমি কোথায় থাকছি, আমার full name সবকিছু এখানে থাকবে. Then detail your academic history in reverse chronological order. That means this can include your postdoctoral programs, graduate school, undergraduate school and high school. That means start from the highest degree to the lowest. Then record your professional experience, list the company or organization, job title and dates employed starting with your most recent job. তার মানে আমি এখন যে চাকরিটাতে ইনভলভ আছি সেটা সম্পর্কে ফার্স্টে আমি লিখব, তারপরে I will go through the other experiences as well. Then include relevant skills and qualifications. This can be in a separate skills section, that is reread the job description to highlight the most important skills employers are looking for. That means কোন কোন স্কিল তারা চাচ্ছে, যদি ওটা আমার মধ্যে থাকে তাহলে আমি সেটা হাইলাইট করব inside my CV. List honors and awards. Use this section to outline your achievements in the field of in the field related to your application. Start with the award name followed by your awarded, the organization that gave you the award, and details about the award such as how often the award is given. যদি আমার কোনো অ্যাচিভমেন্ট থাকে সেটা আমি ইনক্লুড করতেই পারি. Then include relevant publications and presentation. If you have written any journals, articles or anything, you can write those with the license number and the publication name and the other things. Then list your professional associations and affiliations. This should include the name of the organization, geographical location or chapter and dates of active membership. Even if you have done any internship or any training course or any workshop, you can also include those as well. Let's organize a CV now. Writing a CV involves organizing your contact into 6 main segments. These include number 1, contact information, number 2, personal statement or profile, number 3, work experience, number 4, education, number 5, skills, and the last one, additional sections that is targeted to your audience. So what should be included in the contact information? Your contact information is the first element of the CV and serves as the header of the document. It sits at the top so that interviews can contact you easily. আমি যেখানে জবের জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করছি তারা যেন আমাকে ইজিলি খুঁজে পায়. So what should be the content? Your full name, phone number, job title, personal email address, social media handles, optional, এটা না দিলেও চলে. Then professional website, it is also optional. Then do not include the following in your contact information. কি কি আমরা include করব না সেগুলো হলো date of birth, physical address, your current business contact information as work addresses or phone number, photograph unless it is stated in the job posting, then personal social media handles. Provide only the information required in the job description. তারা যেটা চাবে সিভিতে শুধু সেটা ইনক্লুড করব, এর বাইরে কিছু নয়. Number 2, personal statement or profile. What is it? A personal statement or CV is your profile. That is a concise statement at the beginning of your CV that describes your top skills and the capabilities you will bring to the roles. যে আমি এখানে আসলে কি কি করতে পারবো. Then mention skills, experience and achievements relevant to the job. Include positive words such as confident, adaptable, self-motivated and enthusiastic. Your CV personal profile should include state who you are, outline top skills and achievements, mention the name of your target employer, your goals as a potential new employee. The following should not be on your CV as your personal information, like why you are applying for the job, why you left your former employer, or salary requirements. Example: self-motivated pharmacist with 10 plus years of experience looking to leverage strong clinical research skills as a lead clinical test evaluator for Lupin Drug Company. Organized a 20,000 subject clinical study to assess the effect of estrogen supplement on cancer in women. Train 20 clinicians on the use of big data for biopharmaceuticals analysis. Leading figure in Ayurvedic pharmacopoeia. Work experience. Outline your expertise in reverse chronological order. Most recent first. দ্যাট মিনস আমার প্রথমে যেটা আসবে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, আমি এখন যেই জবে কাজ করছি সেইটা সম্পর্কে আগে বলবো, তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে আমার একদম প্রথমে যে জবটা করতাম সেই সম্পর্কে বলবো. সো হোয়াট শুড বি ইনক্লুড ওভার দেয়ার? টাইটেল অফ দ্য রোল, company with city, states, dates of employment, 3 to 5 bullet points outlining your responsibilities and achievements for each job entry, research projects, lab work, field experience, volunteer work, numbers and metrics to prove your achievements. Your work experience should not include tables, charts or images. Gaps in employment history if avoidable, company addresses, professional reference or supervisors names, short-term employment unless you have less than 2 years of experience, irrelevant work experience as well. That means আমি যেই ফিল্ডে কাজ করব সেই ফিল্ডেরই এক্সপেরিয়েন্স দিব, অন্য ক্ষেত্রে যদি আমি কাজ করে থাকি সেই এক্সপেরিয়েন্সটা না দেওয়াই বেটার, কারণ এই ক্ষেত্রে সেটা আমার কোনো কাজে লাগবে না. এডুকেশন, লিস্ট ইউর এডুকেশন অ্যান্ড ডেটস ফ্রম দ্য মোস্ট রিসেন্ট টু দ্য oldest. You can include your class of degree, dissertation title, coursework, professional qualifications and top academic achievements that relate to the role. If you have more than 2 years of relevant work experience, you can highlight all your post-secondary educational qualifications including the name of the degree and institution. Skills. The skills section describes your accomplishment at previous jobs, like the key skills you developed and experiences that apply to the job. List only 4 to 8 skills relevant to the role, including job specific skills, soft skills and hard skills. Some examples include foreign languages, Suppose you can tell that, okay, I am fluent in English or Bangla, or technical skills were relevant. Suppose I know how to use Microsoft Words, or certified skills as well. Suppose you have given IELTS. Consider also mentioning your proficiency levels such as basic, intermediate, advanced or expert for every skill on your list. To further illustrate your skill, list projects where you leveraged your talents and the results. For example, social media influence expert. Additional sections. Additional sections targeted toward your audience can include professional certifications, publications, industry awards and extra training. Anything that is relevant to who's reading your CV. This is a chance to stand out, so use the space wisely, so showcase your unique achievements. If you are a student, you can list your volunteer experiences and academic achievements. Mention things you can discuss in further detail at the interview. It may be appropriate to include hobbies and interests on your CV if you have limited work experience. You can mention specific non-work activities in an entry-level CV if they portray you as a good fit for the employer, such as activities that demonstrate your dedication to a cause the employer works with or allow to practice skills you use on the job. Some employers may not need references. কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আবার রেফারেন্স দরকার হয় না কিংবা তারা চায় না, so their inclusion may not be necessary. You can give employers the option to ask for references which can show them that you are willing to reach out to your network to those who can vouch for you. Some effective tips. Some effective tips. Fonts and colors. What should be the font we use in the CV? Use legible and standard fonts such as Calibri, Georgia, Open Sans and Cambria. Use font sizes 10 to 12 point and be consistent with the style and size throughout your CV. Use larger font size 14 to 16 point for section headings. This helps to break up your CV while making the sections stand out. Formatting. Be consistent with the use of italics, bold, bullet lists and font style. Leave enough white space and maintain a minimum of a 0.5-inch margins on all sides. This will improve the organization and readability. Structure. Outline your CV entries in a reverse chronological order. So the first thing the recruiter sees are your most recent accomplishments. Use bullet points so recruiters can skim. Content. Make your writing powerful and concise. Use strong active verbs throughout. Be sure to edit, revise and proofread your CV before sending to check your CV by another person. Verb tense. Use present tense for current jobs and past tense for former jobs. Proofread for consistency. That's all. Thank you so much.